Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 63 cents. Seems like we did move up a little bit. Check this out though. It seems like, guys, the market makers, the whales, confirmed us. Why? This is what I mean. Oh wait, it's at 64 cents. I don't know why it's not updated. I guess I have to refresh the CoinMarketCap page. But this is what I mean when I say they're price protecting XRP, right? Check this out, guys. What's the difference between Bitcoin and XRP's chart? Right? XRP hasn't been moving, guys, but it just did. Why? Bitcoin had a correction, a dump. XRP dumped as well. But look what happened just before that dump, right? Bitcoin didn't move. It was being stable. Look at XRP right there, guys. It pumped magically, right out of thin air to 65 cents and dumped and protected itself right from dumping further below. That's what I mean. If we want XRP to pump dramatically high right now, that's going to mark or have at least be a signal for a short-term top, right? If it gets decoupled, guys, that's what it probably means. So that's my game plan. When I see XRP pump magically 100% out of nowhere and Bitcoin doesn't do anything, that's a warning, 1000% in my humble opinion, but it's just a theory. Job well done. What do you see right here? So XRP is on the verge of a explosive move to the upside, right? We close above this resistance zone, guys. Now, not to mention, I do have a leverage long opened on XRP, right? It's on a 3x right now. If it moves higher, guys, I'll add more to it, but I opened it at 62 cents or so. Why? Because I don't know. I just have a feeling something could be on the horizon. Okay, so maybe it all ties in together, guys. Why? Because Uphold comes into play, guys. You can't make this stuff up. Uphold Vault is here. Wait, what? Uphold Vault now live for XRP. Self-custody service through Uphold while protecting against key loss. Combine this with a debit card and you'll be your own bank, guys. Wow. Right? So we see right here, this is what it truly is, guys. They're coming out with this during a bull run, right? Maybe right before XRP explodes to the upside. Oh, and not to mention, guys, if you guys are trying to buy XRP, I have a Uphold affiliate link down description below, guys, right? So you guys, I'm pretty sure there's 0 fees as well. So if I were you, I would use that link and take it. Now, you probably don't remember when we said to withdraw your coins, guys? It seems like Uphold seems to be more Uphold seems to be more legit, right? Especially if they're partnered with Ripple, guys, not to mention, because whenever we buy, or whenever I buy cryptos, I take it out of the exchange. But perhaps we don't have to anymore, but not financial advice, because Uphold Vault is here. So Uphold Vault is our state-of-the-art assisted self-custody solution built to keep your assets secure and protect against private key loss. Here's a brief overview, guys. Let's check this out. Interesting. So introducing assisted self-custody, all the benefits of self-custody and access to instant trading with the confidence of assisted key replacement. Interesting. You are now in full control. Has 3 keys, you own 2. Uphold can never control your crypto. Secure key replacement. Self-custody with confidence. If you lose a key, we can help you replace it. Now, I wonder how this all works, right? 24/7 instant trading. Never miss a market opportunity. Interesting, guys. So it's live for XRP. Don't invest unless you're prepared to lose all the money you invest. Oh, and not to mention, Uphold the only one to weather the SEC BS for 3 years forever customer and support, right? Every other exchange out there delisted XRP, but Uphold didn't, right? So how it works is supposedly Uphold implements a multi-sig framework in which you hold 2 of the 3 keys, leaving you in full control, right? 2 keys are required to conduct a transaction, allowing you to operate independently even if the Uphold system is unavailable. Wow. I may have to try this out, guys, right? Interesting, though. At a market price of $50 per year, Vault is affordable for everyone. Not solely users with large holdings. So, okay, so there is a price point, right, to use this type of service, I guess. Not to mention, though, if we think that's crazy, guys, check this out. IBM introduces new cold storage tech for crypto assets. We told you, Ripple was the only first crypto company that was looking ahead, guys, right? No one else was. This is why we got so excited about Metaco. Why? Because the new offline signing orchestrator tech is being used by IBM's long-standing partner in the crypto space. Ripple owns custody firm Metaco, right? And IBM. What do we see right here, guys? Isn't that strange, right? Ben Armstrong, BitBoy, did say he has someone in the know, right? Called Mr. X or something, guys. And Mr. X stated that the deals behind Metaco, right? HSBC using Metaco, guys, were all part of the plan. This is why Ripple was targeting to acquire Metaco, right? They're thinking like a bank because the banks need them, guys. Think. Very fascinating indeed, isn't that? Now, guys, there's the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. From Ripple Crippler. Enjoy end of year 2020 to 2023. I'll be watching you from afar. You made it. Take care, everyone. Smile. Now, I'm getting really excited. You guys want to know why? Because our little bear, guys, right, will be coming back into play possibly this month. From BearableGuy123. Just a reminder that this timestamp was 12:07 today, right? So we got a timestamp delta today, guys. Again, the last time he was activated was, I don't even know how long ago. Let's see, July 15th, right? Fortune smiled. And that's when XRP got clarity. Not to mention, someone else pointed out the next time he tweets, right, he posts, it's going to be his 49th tweet, guys, right? 4 plus 9 is 13. So it's obviously going to be something special, right? And supposedly, he should be coming online, becoming activated this month, right? December 24th, posted this. A day before Christmas, 2 days before Christmas. Look at that. So there's a pattern that keeps repeating, and it's like a day or two. It's just right before Christmas occurs, and he drops his tweet, guys. Then we see Mr. Poole. He posted this on 12/8/21, right? The times, which the delta. There's a delta for tomorrow as well, guys. 12/8/21, right? This image, which shows. Look at this. 5A9, right? And what's interesting about the number 5A9, guys, is that there are two snakes, right here, eating their own tail, right? And it makes the formation, and it makes the 8 or loop or infinity sign formation, guys, right? 5, 9, and 8 in the middle. Interesting. Well, they told us before 5A9 connects with the reset. But Big Short tweeted out a month ago, TikTok, is the bear dead? What? Right? Or does this mean the bear market is long gone? It's dead, guys. Interesting. From that point onwards, Bitcoin, it's been pumping. So why would BearableGuy123 want to scam you? That wouldn't make sense, right? What is interesting, guys? Look at his Twitter bio. BearableGuy123 is a fun jester and not an investment advisor, right? It's just all for fun, for entertainment purposes. So he's not here to scam anyone, right? People have their own perception of what his posts can be, right? Can mean. But some others have stated that he's a jester, right? To fool people and whatnot. Now, he didn't have to post anything in the first place exactly. So why is he, right? Now his name, 1, 2, and 3 comes out as 1 + 2 + 3 = 6, right? 1, 2018, 2, 2019, 3, 2020, 4, 2021, the years, 5, 2022, and then 6 equals to 2023. 2023 is the year expect the unexpected. Could that be the case, guys? Someone else pointed out, could be very well part of Ripple marketing team. Now, I'm not too sure about that though, right? I'm not 1,000% sure about that, because I'll explain why. Wisdom over greater than wealth, right from Elon Musk. And what's weird is, if he's a part of the Ripple marketing team, guys, that would mean Ripple, the Ripple team are Freemasons, right? Because the 3 Masons. This is from BG123, guys, right? If you take the one picture, reverse it, and piece it together, we see this right here. And it literally matches up with the logo, right? As you guys can see. So that's interesting, isn't it, guys? Look at this. 3 May Sun, right? Sun, May, Sun, 2 plus 1 plus 9, which is 2019 equal 3. Not to mention, this just reminded me of the 3 wise men, right? Fascinating connections, guys. Not to mention, even Galvatron is activated again, guys, right? He's back into the game because Merry Christmas, everybody. Now, I have these links down to show if you guys would like to investigate further, because we won't, guys. But he did post his blog right there. Last but not least, from David Schwartz, masochist, hurt me, sadist, no. What could that mean, guys? Right? David is telling us to prepare for the fake out downwards and then watch the pump afterwards. Interesting. I'm not quite sure. But David Schwartz, if you just check out his Twitter account, look at this. A lot of random tweets, right? Super random. No clue, guys. Interesting, though. Not financial advice. Things are just getting more hectic as ever. Not financial advice, and never financial advice. But anyways, that's Sophia's amazingness. See ya.